Archicad Windows settings. So I'll show you how to create Windows icon Pro in Archicad so that your windows can appear just like these windows. So you can see these windows. They appear realistic. It's like you are printed, but this is not a rendering. It is pure Archicad. So for example, let us insert this window here. I'll start by deleting it. Let's insert this window. So I'll go to the ground floor. Okay, there's this window which is missing. So I'll go to our window. I'll go to special window. The window we want is this type of window. Then my window is about 2265. It is 1500 by 2265. Okay? Since 20. So let's insert this window. After that, okay, then I can just hold the window to fit in there by just dragging. Okay, now let's go to 3D. So definitely you can see how this window appears. It is not like these are windows. Okay, so we need to change. Let's change first the height on the wind. So this one, the wind would be 1500. Again, use the height would be 2265. Then still to story. Let this be about 1000. Okay, now this window you can see. This window, the way it appears, does not look realistic. So for these windows, you cannot see through, but you can see the way the windows are. That says the settings. This is the focus of this video, how to do the settings for this window. So I'll click. I'll go to I click window selection settings. So I'll start by search option. I'll go to search. Just expand here. Go to search options. Now the transform search, I'll change to sandbox 2. So let's see. Okay, you can see the way we're starting to be similar. Then again, right click, then right click. Window selection settings. Again, for search options, I'll go now to main search. Add changes on to HV grid 3. Okay, now you can see. Again, click, right click, window selection settings. Now I'll go to opening line and then override. So then click OK. Can see the effect of overriding. Then I'll click again. Right click, window selection settings, and check these opening lines. Then click OK. Now, almost through. You can see how this window appears. Now, these windows we cannot see through, but this one you can see through. Now we can, and also you can see the settings, the colors are a bit different. So that's like it again. Select that window. Right click, window selection settings. Then I'll go now to model. Make sure over shadow, show shadow, and override 3D. Override MVO 3D. So let's uncheck this and see the effect. Okay, now the frame and side surfaces. So for frame surface outside, I'll use ivory block, paint ivory block. The same here. The same here. Ivory block. Same ivory block. Paint ivory block. Paint ivory block. Now let's click OK. Now I don't want my window to be transparent, and you can see also the colors is also a bit different. So let's click again. Then go again to properties. Now this one I'll change from glass fast to I'll change to paint pale blue. Then for frame and such, paint. So let's first click that one. Now this window is translucent, and you can see how it appears is light. It has been rendered. So I'll go again, click. Now I need to select the window selection settings, and change this one to 41. Now the frame and side 3D, 41, 41. Now there is our window. Okay, so we can again do this window. This window is still 2-story, 39.98 to right. So under this, A is 32. I mean, wait. That is 73, 14 to 53, 39.98. That is 73, on 49. So I'll go to this view, to the plan view, and I will insert a window. So let's go to story 1. So I need to insert a window there. So I'll now go to window, click here. I'll go to basic window, window 19. That is 73. Achieve. I'll insert it there. I'll reach. I'll insert it there. Left again do the window. Don't store the 3D. Okay. Now this window need to move to still to story, let's say it's 0. So I need to delete one of those windows. Delete that one again. This one I can just move it. So I want to move it. Stretch vertically. After that point, then I'll stretch. So now, if I change the height, to about 1451. 1451. Let's change the height. Okay? Then I want to straight horizontally. I point. Now again, we need to edit this window, the settings, to make it appear like this. This window is now, an ink to go to window selection settings. I'll start with slash options. HV grids. 2 by 3. Horizontal is 3. Vertical is 2. Okay, right click again. Select, right click again, window selection settings. I'll go to openings, then override. And then I take opening die. Okay. I still have some work to do. And 3, window selection settings. Model attribute. Send these to paint ivory block. 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 And this one can remain like that. Then all these will be 41. We come in or we can check on model. So we can use again glass blue. So let's go to settings. I change from clear forecast to glass blue. So I can see how we just did this type of windows. If you like this video, please do consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.